Okay, my next job this evening was going to be assembling the engine hoist that I bought off of eBay. Classic Chineseum thing, only about £120, about $180 or so, and the instructions it's come with. They're just pretty pathetic, really. Doesn't tell you what to connect to where. It gives you loads of numbers. It tells you what the bolt is, but it's not all marked up very properly. And the casters, there are two different types. I've mounted some already. You would think on the back of a hex head bolt there would be a 13mm nut, M8 stud nut. No, it's a 14mm spanner, which you can put a 30mm nut on there. But then the next lot of casters for this particular piece, for the back base of the thing, well, they are these things. They're a Phillips head bolt, which are countersunk into that particular bit of the base. I don't know why, because I would have thought that was weaker than doing it that way. Focus, thank you very much. So I might as well just borrowed something like this off of somebody in this form and just have to figure it all out for myself before I can do what I want to do. It's all time consumed, which I really wanted to get on with and make some progress this evening, the first day of actually getting this job done. It's all about tool assembly and faffing about. Okay, we'll press on. Wind you over. Okay, after much messing about, I finally got my Chineseum engine hoist put together. This is the best part of 24 hours, having to replace bolts because they undersupplied or oversupplied or incorrectly supplied sizes and types of bolts. But I've done it and it's ready to go. All I have to do next is put the spare engine that's going back into the beastie onto this stand, ready to start taking bits off and swapping bits back from the original engine that's in the car now. I need it on this stand so I can position it, so I can take bits off and work on it and get one good engine out of two. Right. See you in the next one. It'll look like seconds, but this is going to take quite a few minutes. I'll see you soon. Okay, there it is. Done it. The cobbled together engine hoist has now lifted the engine, spare engine I bought, onto the engine stand, ready to be worked on. A bit of a milestone. A bit of work to get it there too, more than I expected, but we're on the way there. Back soon with more fascinating information. See you soon.